Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore.
Hola amigos, ¿ya llegaron sus papis de trabajar? Pues les voy a enseñar un poquito de mi rutina de noche. Normalmente mi hermanito y yo estamos en la puerta a las 9 esperando a mi papá porque ya casi a esa hora. A veces mi papá trae una que otra sorpresita, así que dije quítate Mateo que vamos a ver qué trajo. Yo de una vez vi el borreguito de mi hermanito y el otro juguete escandaloso para mí. Entre más escandaloso más me gusta. Mateo yo no sé qué hace con su borreguito tanto, pero ya yo decapité mi juguete. No duró ni media hora. Si saben cómo me pongo, ¿para qué me invitan? Ah, ya ni suena esta vaina. Y no, hombre, mi hermanito es romántico besuqueando con su borreguito, un perro enamorado, un borrego. Válgame Dios.
Hi, excuse me, I had an appointment for today. He's married. Oh, okay.
Duke, do you want the ball?
Shit. What the fuck? Do a flip!
El suelo es lava.
Çak. Aferin. Evet, çak. Aferin.
Hi everybody, Bane here. I want to tell you about my day, 'cause it did not go as it normally does, and I am a little confused. Woke up this morning, went out and had a pee, came in expecting breakfast. Nobody gave me breakfast. I don't understand. That's what we do. We pee and then we eat. So I tried sitting like a good boy again. Still nobody fed me. Suddenly Dad puts a leash on me. Huh. Are we going out for breakfast? I can get behind that. Let's go for breakfast. Newsflash. I didn't go out for breakfast. I went for a very long car ride, went to a strange place, went to sleep, woke up, and my dangly bits are gone. Like, what the hell, Mom? Where are my nuts? So in retaliation, I made Mom sit in the back seat for the whole hour-long drive home. I sat my 80-pound ass on her lap, whined, cried, and shook the whole way home. This'll teach ya. I tried to figure out where my nuts are. Dad made some joke that they were in Mom's purse next to his. I don't know what that means. I don't like this anesthetic, though. I refuse to sleep it off. Mom says sleep it off, I'll feel better. I don't want to feel better. I want my... Fuff, fuff, fuff. Fuff.
Ты опять палишься, я же вижу, что ты что-то опять украл. Со стола опять свистнул, да? Ты будешь показывать, что у тебя там во рту? Я же все равно достану. Оно у тебя торчит. Давай. Ну показывай. Говножуй. Давай. Покажи. Конфета. Тебя что, не кормят?
Close it. All the way.
I got no treats this morning, so I'm gonna act like, listen, I'm gonna act, hey, Nelly, here. Yes, good dog. Look what I got. You wanna load up? You wanna load up? Nelly, you're soaking wet. I cannot pick you up right now. Come on. What do I gotta do? Bark at you? Come on, load up. Dadgum, dude. You know I got a hurt hip too. You making me do this crap. It's like it rains outside and they just like default to factory settings. They have no clue what to do. Come on, load up. Come on. Freaking, oh my gosh, my hip hurts so much. Oh. Remy, kennel. Yes, good dog. Come on, get excited. Get excited. You know what it is? She's got some water. She's got some mud inside of there because it's been raining. It's been raining for 40 days and 40 nights. I'm not gonna give this to her. This is a granola bar. Can you? Oh, what is that? What is that? Can you load up? Yes, good dog. That's what I'm talking about, Bean. I'm sorry, but you can't have this. I think it's got chocolate in it. It's got chocolate in it, Bean. You can't have it. I'll get you set up right when we get home. I'll get you set up right when we get home. Don't worry. Kennel. Yes, good dog. I ain't got nothing today. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
Have one. You can have one bite. Sit. Oh my god. It's pistachio ice cream.
Cooter, you're like lightning in a bottle.
Mikey, what are you doing? Nothing? I don't think it's nothing. I think you're trying to get into the cat drawer.
Oh.
Babe, are you hungry? Say yeah!
And I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun. I got my eggs back.
Where's the dinosaur? Yay! Yay, dinosaur! You're tired? You don't want to do it anymore? Huh?
And you were my baby. It started when
Ow.
Sit.
Who are you? Dobby, sir. Dobby the house elf.
That way. That's the.
Seriously?
Take a shot. No.
No! Oh my god!